cut my hair the way you wanted it, not the way I said cut it.
I pride myself on giving a person what they want and the best quality that I can. Try to rectify the problem before the service over. We hand you the mirror that you can tell me, what you want done.
I've been around a couple times. I've seen him before, but I don't know. Macy did go to East Midland Street. Like this one right there. So like all the middle school shit. Macy. Hard in the snap.
Yeah. One day where you came to announcement, and the next day all the property.
Come on, guys. Are you testing?
You gotta pick your one, man.
I want you to take a look and let me know if it's rounded good enough for you, if you want me to round it a little bit more.
How you got phone to work?
Remember that movie called Police Academy?
Mm-hmm.
Remember there was a dude on there named Hot Tower?
Yeah.
That's what you remind me of.
Hot Tower.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was one of the players for the Rams. No, okay, no.
He did play. I think he did play professional football. I think he probably played for the Raiders though.
Okay. Yeah, he